Hello my friends from YouTube, welcome back. I have the two advent boxes that I'm doing an unboxing for. This one is a Missouri Star Quilt box and this one is this Stitch Supply Company, and we are on date number 8. So I'm playing this little game. I just want to see for myself which of the two boxes we get the most value for our money, and which of the things that they have in the box I like the most. So we're on date number 8, and I think I'm going to open this one first. Look, this one is the Stitch Supply Company little box. It's so cute. I just love the way it opens like that. I have the one from last year still up there because I love them. They're just so cute. And I also have the Missouri Star Quilt box. I think I ordered the first one, which I was a little bit disappointed with the first one. Then we got the second one. Actually, we didn't order anything for the second one, and I think I got the one that was like super pretty in the outside. And I'm looking at it over there. I think it had like Christmas themes and stuff. Anyway, let's go ahead and open number 8 for Stitch Supply Company. Sounds like, let's see what they are. These are like pins that don't pinch you. These are super nice. I have some over here. I'm glad I got the big ones. So these are the little ones. And so we got the big ones. I needed the big ones. I don't have a lot. See, I put the big ones over here because sometimes you need bigger ones. So I'm happy about this. This is nice. I like this. So now I'm going to put them around my little basket because that's where I keep my big ones. And actually I have to take a picture, so I'm going to put them back. And let's see how many we have. 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10. I like it. This is nice. Put my little basket over there. This is super nice. Let's see what we have for Missouri Star Quilt. What is it? What is it? So exciting. Number 8. Missouri's got the point for today. Wrapping paper. I like both actually, but this is wrapping paper. I also have some wrapping paper from Missouri Star Quilt, which I've used, but I kind of saved a little bit of it. This is so pretty, and it has some labels too. So the labels are going to come handy and are going to be very useful. Look. And they already, all you gotta do is take them out pretty much because they're already pierced. Nice little label. It's got the little hole and everything. Look. I like it. Very nice. This is very nice. I like both, honestly. But this is definitely a better value for our box than the little clips. Even though them clips are expensive. But this is a very nice Scrappy Celebration wrapping paper. 12 colorful sheets and matching gift tags for every occasion. Jody Couthier. I don't know how to pronounce the last name. Nice. Well, thank you so much for watching. At the end of the video, I'm going to have a kind of like a little survey or voting thing where it says post, and then you click which one of the two you like the most. So if you like to go ahead and vote, I will appreciate it. See which of the two you like the most. I'm putting my vote in. Thank you so much for watching. See you on day number 9. Bye. If you like to participate in the voting, you can just go here where it says post and scroll down to the date that you watched, and see that one says day 1. Then you select which one you think was the best, that you like the most. That's day number 2, day number 3, and so on and so forth. And just all you have to do is click that little circle right next to the company that you thought had the best value for our money. Thank you for voting.